Namaste everyone. So we are solving exercise 8.3 and let me solve today question number 10 and 12. Already we have solved so many questions of this exercise. So question number 10. As you can see, the population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at a rate of 5% per annum. So find the population in 2001. So they are asking the population of 2001 and population of 2003 it is given. So that means this population is the amount part, that is in 2003, and we have to find out the population of 2001, that is the principal one. As we are familiar with the formula, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So let us write the formula in this way. We know that population, okay, let us write in this way. So it is population 2003, okay, it is equal to population 2001 into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Okay, so population 2003 it is 54,000. Population 2001 we have to find out into 1 plus R, it is given 5% by 100, and you can see 2000 it is 1 to find out and 2003 it is given, so time is 2 years. Now thing is that why I have written 2000 here, 1 here we have taken and the amount part, because it is given that population in year 2001, okay, whatever may be the population, and it has increased by 5%, okay, and after 2 years the population was, that is this much, 54,000. So that means this 2003 it is given. So we have to find the population of 2001. So that's why we have written this in the principal side. Okay. Now it is 54,000 P 2001 into 100. So it will become 100 plus 5. It is 105 divided by 100 power 2. Okay, so we can reduce here. You can see 5 to the 10, it is 20. 5 to the 10, it is 21. So this becomes like this: 54,000 P 2001 into 21 by 20 square. Now as you can see, we have to find the value of P2001. So this 20 will go, okay, cross multiply. This 20 will go at the numerator and this 21 it will come down to the denominator. So P2001 it is equal to 54,000 into 20 into 20 divided by 21 into 21. Okay, so when you will solve this part, you will get the answer as 48,980 approx. Okay, so you will get this result. So in this way we have to find out. This is one number, question number 10, one number. Okay, now let me show what will be the question number 10, two number. What would be its population in 2005? Means using the same informations we have to find in 2005 what will be the population. Now let us show how to do. So now we have to find the population of 2005. So let us write here P2005. We have to find here, okay, because 2003 we know and we have to find 2005. Okay, so that will 2005, now it will come in the amount, and this will become the principal 2003. Okay, so P 2003 into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Now same, so P 2003 we know it is 54,000. It is 54,000 into 1 plus, so r is 5%, it is 5% by, okay, 5 by 100 to the power n. Now you see it is 2003, we have to calculate 2005 again. So what will be the difference? 2. So time is 2 years. So it will become 54,000 into 100. So it is 100 plus 5 square. So it is 54,000 into 105 divided by 100. Okay, and this power is 2. So here again we can reduce it. Okay, so it will be 5 to the 10, 5 1 is 5, and it is 20. So it is 54000 into 21 into 21 divided by 20 into 20. Okay, so our answer will be, after reducing, we will get 59,535. So this will be the final population. Okay, that is population in the year 2005. So our population will be this. Now let us move to question number 12. So in question number 12 you can see a scooter was brought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. So depreciated, you have seen, depreciated means something it is decreasing, depreciation. Okay, so when the person bought the scooter, at that time the price was 42,000. Okay, now as you know, depreciation means, suppose year after year the value of the scooter, you know, it decreases. Why? Because of this depreciation. Okay, it gets depreciated, and it gets depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. So we have to find what will be the value of the scooter after 1 year. So everything it is given, so it is principal, you can take, this is the principal. Okay, so principal, it is P, it is given, that is 42,000, and rate already it is given, that is the rate, rate, that is rate of interest. Actually you can write rate of interest, rate of interest, that is capital R, it is equal to, it is given 8% per annum. Okay, now time, so it is given time. Okay, so time we can write capital, okay, in the formula we are writing n actually, so n, it is equal to 1 year. So the amount we have to find out, we have to find out the amount, that is capital A, we have to find out. Okay, so we'll be using the formula of amount. Okay, so we know that amount A is equal to P into 1. Now in this formula, this is the new thing, since it is given depreciation, means it is, the value is decreasing, so we will be using minus sign, not the plus 1. Okay, so P into 1 minus R by 100, R by 100 to the power n. Okay, now principal already it is given, that it is 42,000. Okay, and 1 plus R, it is given, it is 8%, 8%, that is means 8 by 100 will be right, and the time already it is given, that is 1 year. Okay, So it is rupees 42,000, and we can take the LCM as 100, so it will be 100 plus 8 and 1. Okay, it is given, so it will be rupees 42,000 into, it is 108 divided by 100. Okay, so the amount, will be 38,640. Okay, after reducing you will get the amount is 38,640. I am not reducing because all of you know how to reduce. Okay, so the directly answer I am writing, it is 38,640. So in this way we can solve this problem when there will be, okay, it is mentioned the values depreciating. Okay, so in depreciating always remember you have to use minus sign. Okay, so we have discussed all the problems, okay, of exercise 8.3. If you get any problem, okay, then you can tell me in the online class. And with this I want to conclude. That's all. Thank you.